Welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a wicked cool 1966 Ford Galaxie 500, 32,000 original mile, one owner car, guys. Very original car. Car's actually a barn find. Now it has just undergone what I'm going to call a mechanical restoration. They went through the brakes, the fuel system, upgraded some stuff on the engine, suspension components, just making it to where the car is very drivable since it's been sitting so long. But this is the factory color combination. It has most of the original paint. I'm going to say, probably 90% of the original paint. I think there's some little touch-up done to the car, but most of this paint is actually original. Again, one owner, 32,000 original miles. Great car. Runs and drives outstanding. Factory Y code 390 car. Again, you can see it's original paint, so don't think the paint's flawless. There's some little stone pecks, some things you can pick at on it, but it is original. Couple little things in the trim, but I mean, look how nice those bezels are. Those are the original bumpers. All the factory glass. And I'll tell you, the paint looks really good. I mean, you turn the key and take this car right to a car show. Like I say, it's got a couple spots, as you can imagine. It's original that you can pick at, but very, very nice. Look how nice that back window is. We really didn't detail much. We left this thing, pretty much just kind of wiped it down, cleaned it up a little bit, but really left it alone. Wait till you see the bottom, how clean this thing is. Nice and straight down the sides. You can see, like I say, there's some little things you can kind of pick at. My dad used to always tell me they're only original once. Those are factory 15-inch wheel covers. Obviously, those are not the original tires. They've got white wall. Those are bias ply white walls. Now, I will tell you guys, my plan, I was going to, and I've got them here. I ordered them. I've got a set of 15-inch Magnum 500 wheels with BF Goodrich radial TAs. That if you want, I would sell them with the car, but everybody here convinced me to leave them off. They wanted them with these factory wheels on it, and they're probably right. I was going to put dual exhaust on it, and they talked me out and left a single exhaust on it. Again, this is the original Y code 390 car. They have done a bunch of upgrades underneath the hood. I mean, they put new freeze plugs, so they've gone through it kind of mechanically to make sure it's kind of turnkey ready. Now, the chrome air cleaner and valve covers, those are not original. The originals are in the trunk. Bought a brand new 4-barrel for it, or carburetor for it, but just a replacement. It's just a stock replacement. I ended up putting a radiator in it. This is a Champion aluminum, just replacement. The original is in this box in the trunk if you want to get the original record. Power steering car, manual drum brakes. Again, you can see new master cylinder. He said he completely went through the brake system on it. Again, you can see the new tie rod ends, stuff like that. They've definitely gone through the suspension as well. It's got the hardened valve seats in it, so it does run on pump gas. Oh my gosh, you see that? My guy's just got a little wax there on it. Neat car. Pennsylvania tag from 80 and 81. Kind of nice that A-pillar chrome is. I mean, so, this is a remote mirror. I mean, original door handles. Look at this thing. And this thing is cool. You can see how nice the door seams are. I mean, and again, this is all the original interior. A couple of things you can definitely pick at. It's got a split in here in the seat. I'll show you that. Now this back seat, they say that's been on there since the day it was new. So I wasn't going to take it off. But you can see it's got a split in the original front seat cover. You can buy this. SMS has it. Again, I kind of left it alone, and I'll let the new owner make the decision on what he wants to do, or they want to do. 32,000 original miles, 32,424, factory dash, factory gauges. The little cold light in the dash still works. AM radio works. Owner's manual's in the glove box. Stock single exhaust. It's C6 automatic trans. Again, stock single exhaust. I was going to change it to duals, but I left it alone. Factory 3.0 rear axle. Clean car. Again, original radiators in there, valve covers, air cleaners underneath here, and something else. Can't remember. He's got something else in there. Jack with spare. Really cool car. And again, all that little tedious stuff to kind of make it really drivable that you got to do after they've been sitting, that stuff's been done. Got seat belts, factory seat belts. That was an option in '66. Dash is really nice. I mean, just a good looking car. Hard to tell it's running. Listen to this thing. Just a great car, man. Turn the key, point the direction, and go. Again, everything opens and closes real nice. This has been somebody's little baby right here, I'll tell you that. The car's just awesome. Again, radio works. Really just nothing but a fuel gauge in there. And wait till you see the floors. I mean, just clean as can be. Choke works. Again, factory radio in there working. Great car, man. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video.